Truths about taking courses. No one tells you this. Taking a course isn't a magic wand. It's not just about watching videos or collecting certificates. It's about showing up, applying what you learn, and pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. The reward: skills that are marketable, careers that are flexible, and lifestyles that many only dream of. Why take courses? Aside from the technical know-how, courses equip you with soft skills such as critical thinking, communication, creativity, time management, and give you a new way to approach challenges. You begin to see opportunities in problems and develop a habit of self-development. These are priceless traits that employers look for and clients appreciate. They also prevent the student debt trap. For instance, a study from the digital learning firm Ascendo found that 94% of employees would stay at a company longer if there was investment in their learning and development. Per SC, the ROI on short courses is relatively high. Another beautiful benefit of online learning is networking. You don't just learn in isolation, rather you join vibrant communities of learners, instructors, mentors, and professionals. These communities are gold mines. They can lead to collaborations, mentorships, job referrals, and even long-term friendships. Talking from experience, many people have gotten job offers or freelance gigs simply by being active and helpful in a course community. The power of social media plus skills. Let's not forget the power of social media. With platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram, you can build a personal brand, share your learning journey, connect with industry experts, and even get hired all from your phone. But to maximize these tools, you need to understand how to use them intentionally. That's where taking courses comes in again. It gives you the tools to not only do the work but showcase it. What I urge you to do. So the next time you scroll through social media and see someone landing a remote tech role, freelancing from anywhere in the world, or getting global internships, remember, it didn't just happen. They took a course. They bet on themselves. They chose growth over comfort. And that can be your story too. Courses are no longer just for beginners either. So no matter what stage you're in, there's always a course that matches your next move. Investing in knowledge is never a waste. The world is evolving fast, and so should you. With just a course, a clear direction, and a dose of consistency, your life could change in months. Now is the time to learn smart, grow fast, and earn big. You can consider taking courses on registered, recognized, and reliable platforms such as Univad. Subscribe to Anita_educates to get these amazing opportunities. The world is evolving fast, and so should you. Take it if you want.